आज हम बात करेंगे लॉकअप एपिसोड 13। लॉकअप सीजन 2 एपिसोड 13 का बात करेंगे। क्या ही एपिसोड है, मेरे को तो बिल्कुल बकवास लगा। आई डिडंट लाइक द एपिसोड एट ऑल फ्रॉम ऑल these days. This was like a shittiest episode I have seen. It was very boring. The editor was not right. We are not knowing what are the things that are happening from the start to end. They were like cutting the scenes in between and they were just showing bits and pieces, which is not feeling like I'm watching some episode. I'm just watching some bits and pieces of something, right? So coming to the episode, so in the beginning they showed like Varun got some secret task which was given by the jailer, and he has to hide all the locks in the house. Like 13 locks are there, he has to hide everything, and he has to go inside that hole and go to somewhere. And he also had some food there, which is fine. Yeah, he has done pretty well the task. Like he has hidden all the locks, which was the task. रात में किया उसने. But Pamela could have found him. Yeah, after that सब लोग बात कर रहे हैं, everyone is having conversations. बस आकांक्षा को जेल से बाहर ही लेके आया. तो उसने बोला, the host was like very serious on her, telling like she has to be in the punishment cell for a week and सीधा हम मिलेंगे जजमेंट डे पे. आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, कुछ भी नहीं देना है, कुछ भी नहीं दे देगा. तो what happened to them? Like डर गई क्या? Like they were afraid or what? Like आकांक्षा's fans और everyone. आजकल हम देखते हैं तो MTV, सारा MTV का contestants, everyone is behind Akanksha. Why? Why everyone is behind Akanksha? And saying she's not the main character. If she's not the main character, why everyone is talking about her only? ये तो आपको देखना है पड़ेगा. MTV contestants, everyone over is doing all this bullshit and things. एक दिन बोलता है ये तो गलत है, बिल्कुल गलत है, ये तो बिल्कुल गलत है. एंड Sibeth, if you see, I liked Sibeth in the Roadies, but अभी इसने जो भी किया, she was like जो अभी आकांक्षा को फॉलो कर रहा है मेरे को मत फॉलो करो, ब्लॉक कर दो. एंड the other day he was telling like मेरे को आज 20% अच्छा लगा. ये क्या होता है? What is this? Why is giving this all of a sudden from the episode 10? Why? After the fight? ये तो बात है, चलता ही रहेगा. लॉकअप कितने दिन रहेगा वो तो चला ही रहेगा. Because all of them are Shreya's friends, of course they are going to like support her, I know, but आकांक्षा के अगेंस्ट मत जाओ. क्यों जाना है? If you don't like something, इतना भी हर्ष नहीं होना है. Yeah, and that has happened. She was out of jail. So, but they showed a scene which was very cute. Yogesh and Akanksha, Yogesh was sleeping outside the cell of Akanksha, and yeah, he was giving the company, which is kind of cute. They showed it for a minute or something, that's all. They didn't show it for like so much time. And उसके बाद Akanksha रो रही थी like what the fans would think about her and all. Yeah, she got a little bit of emotional, which is kind of yeah, she understood that what fans are feeling for her or what everyone is feeling for her. Don't worry girl, I think everyone is still supporting you. You just have to prove that you're worthy of it. And congratulations, I think you got 1.4 million broadcast members in your channel. And yeah, बात करते हैं अभी रिमेनिंग एपिसोड. इसमें क्या हुआ? तो कंट्रोलर डिपेंडेंट. तो उसके बोला कंट्रोलर कौन होगा, डिपेंडेंट कौन होगा. इतना दिमाग होना है कि एवरीवन नोज व्हाट इज कंट्रोलर मीन, एवरीवन नोज व्हाट इज डिपेंडेंट मीन. फिर भी लोग दे वर नॉट फाइटिंग विद ईच अदर. दे वर लाइक आप ले लो कंट्रोलर, आप ले लो डिपेंडेंट. दे आर लाइक नॉट इवन फाइटिंग विद ईच अदर. दे आर लाइक okay, calm, very calm. I'm not gonna fight about this. I'm just a chill guy or something. So what they did, आपको लेना है तो ले लो, आपको लेना है तो ले लो, आप कर पाओगे ना. मेरे को आप में बिल्कुल भरोसा है. क्या भरोसा? कौन सा भरोसा? Everyone is so selfish and everyone wants to secure themselves. No one is the player or anything, right? Like no one wants to save other people there. So everyone is so selfish. तो क्यों इतना सोचना पड़ेगा? You have to fight if you want to be the controller. And yeah, इतने में अचानक में क्या हुआ? All the controllers, all of a sudden, they are safe. लाइक इतनी आसान में दे बिकेम सेफ एंड दे वर सो हैप्पी. शिल्पा, श्रेया, माधुरी, लाइला एंड few more contestants were safe. तो उसे देखकर मेरे को लगा इतनी easy, why do you make it so easy to become safe? कितना बकवास लगा. And all the dependents are there, they were like okay fine. And the thing is controllers have to save the dependents. बात यहाँ आती है कि आफ्टर सम टाइम शिल्पा वॉज सो बोर्ड आई थिंक एंड शी जस्ट वॉन्ट टू पिक सम रैंडम फाइट एज दैट वॉज हर स्ट्रैटेजी. तो उसने क्या किया, उसने शिवांगी को जाके बोला मत बात करो हर्षद को साथ, लाइक डोंट टॉक टू हर्षद. तो डोंट टॉक टू हर्षद मतलब शिवांगी वॉज लाइक सो इमोशनल इस बात को लेके. व्हाई कांट आई टॉक टू हर्षद, व्हाई कांट आई टॉक टू हर्षद, आई कैन नॉट सिट एंड टॉक टू हर्षद. शी वॉज गोइंग एंड क्राइंग एंड she's doing all of that. And उसके बीच में आता है राम कपूर सर और लाइक ओ माई गॉड आप मत रो, अब यू नीड सम स्ट्रेंथ. एंड ही गोज टू हर्षद एंड सेज गिव हर दैट स्ट्रेंथ, यू नीड टू बी हर स्ट्रेंथ. ये क्या बकवास है. They both are not like going to talk for life, right? They are in the same jail, like they're in the same jail. They will be roaming around and they can talk. What's wrong in that? तो जिंदगी पर उसको नहीं रोका ना, just maybe for few days or a day or two. It's just that. But why is she crying like a child or something? I didn't understand. I didn't quite get that point. And Harshad was also behaving in the same way. उसको देख के मेरे को तो बहुत हंसी आ रही थी. And after that, तो शिवांगी like independent. She was doing whatever the Shilpa is saying. And शिल्पा ने बोला आकांक्षा को, आकांक्षा मुझे हेल्प कर दो. क्यों करना है आकांक्षा, क्यों करना है उसको, क्यों करना है. वॉन्टेडली शी गोज टू आकांक्षा एंड आस्क ये कर दो, क्यों करना है. तो आकांक्षा ने दे दिया उसको जवाब, आई एम नॉट योर स्लेव, आई एम जस्ट योर डिपेंडेंट. तो डिपेंडेंट और स्लेव में फ़र्क है. तो यू शुड नो हाउ टू ट्रीट समवन लाइक ए स्लेव और डिपेंडेंट. डिपेंडेंट का मतलब ये है कि यू शुड टेक केयर ऑफ देम. If you want to take care of them, take care of them. If you don't want to take care of them, don't take care of them. That's the meaning. तो यहाँ पे कोई भी रूल्स नहीं है कि you have to do whatever they say. And everyone was supporting like कर लो कर लो कर लो, क्या करना है, क्यों करना है. If she wants to do, she will do. Otherwise, she will not do. तो वही बात उसने बोला. And बात यहाँ तक आता है कि औकात तक. तो उसने दिखाया किसका औकात क्या है, कौन किस, who is standing where. तो या दे वर हैविंग ए गुड फाइट. एंड आफ्टर दैट उसके बाद आता है टास्क. सो टास्क ऐसा आया कि एवरीवन हैज़ टू होल्ड सम वेट टू गेट द खाना, खर्चा पानी, एवरीथिंग फॉर द वीक. सो एवरीवन डिड प्रेटी वेल इन देयर प्लेस. लाइक yeah, everyone did pretty well in the task. And उसमें जीत लिया श्रेया. She has done a very good job. I think she has done a very great job in getting the 1 lakh. पर पता नहीं कौन सा twist होगा. Last week if you see there like a lot of money in lakhs, 4 lakhs or something. But what they did all the money usage only to save contestants. But अभी क्या होगा, देखते हैं क्या होगा. अभी तो उसको 10,000 मिला, 25,000 मिला, 50,000 और 1 lakh ऐसा ही कुछ अमाउंट मिला. बट पता नहीं क्या करते हैं. बट आकांक्षा doesn't have any access card as of now, so she has to get food from all other controllers, whoever is having the access card only. तो देखते हैं कौन किसको फूड देगा and what are the food fights that are going to happen from today and what are the new twists that are going to come up. And in the end किसी योगेश has picked up a fight again with the host, तो जेलर के साथ. तो उसने जाके सॉरी भी बोल दिया. And which clearly confirmed that they are not lifting the same exact weight as the dependents. They are just weighing like half of the weight they had put in that box. So which is like a half of the weights only they are like holding. So which is fair enough because they can't hold all of it. And that was clear after the Yogesh has asked him. Yeah, that was about this episode. But मेरे को I didn't like it all the editing. I didn't like whatever they are showing. This episode is like a very waste of time episode. बिल्कुल interesting नहीं है, बिल्कुल बकवास लग रही है. And they need to bring up some new ideas or to show or do the editing properly to understand what is happening exactly. तो आज का एपिसोड ऐसा ही हो गया, जिस देखने में तो उतना मज़ा नहीं आया, तो दैट इज़ व्हाई आई डिड रिव्यू वेरी लेट। तो चलो अब देखते हैं आज क्या होगा। आई एम जस्ट होपिंग कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग होगा, बट देखते हैं क्या होगा। टिल देन इट्स मी ब्लूबेरी साइनिंग ऑफ, बाय।